Okay guys, welcome back again. Another trade recap, this time on GBPCAD. Today is the 28th of May 2026 and I will go over this trade right here, this sell, okay? A couple of days trade, perfectly fine. And I will go through my thought process, okay? What I saw, what I was looking at, and where I put my target, how I manage my risk, and I will go over everything for you. So I hope you guys are going to learn something from this. Let's go back here on the chart. The pair was GBPAUD, no, GBPCAD, sorry. There we go. We will go back with the replay from here, which is when I enter the trade, and we will start from scratch. Okay, again, you will hear me say this all the time. Price can only do two things. It's very simple. You don't need anything else. You don't need technical analysis. You don't need ICT. You don't need anything else. Okay, price can just do two things, which is expand and retrace. If price is going on the upside, this will look something like this, okay, which is a bullish trend. Okay, price expands on the upside, retraces on the downside, expand on the upside, retraces, expansion, retracement. If price is going down, it will look something like this. Price expands on the downside, retraces up, expands down, retraces, expands, traces, expands. Okay, this is a downtrend. Okay, that's all price does. What I'm looking in the chart in the morning, I'm just looking if a price has expanded, okay, from the moving average. Okay, so has price moved far from the moving averages? In this case, yes, price moved 180 pips from the moving average. Okay, so I know this is a big expansion. Okay, after every expansion, I'm expecting a retracement. So what I'm looking at this point is, okay, I might just sell this, okay, because price just expanded. The next big thing that's going to happen is a retracement. I don't know when the retracement is going to happen, but I know that it will happen eventually, especially on the daily time frame. Okay. Moreover, on top of that, there is these things called barrier. Okay, and barrier is zones where price might react at some point. Okay, for example, I saw that this here was a barrier. Okay, you can call this barrier, resistance, previous high, whatever you want. At this point, price rejected and continued on the opposite side. Okay, price got to this level and then dropped from here. So I know that if price comes back up here, there could be a rejection. Okay, so with that in mind, I woke up, I saw this, and what I did, I just entered a sell. That's it. I entered a sell position here. Okay, the target for now, I want the target to be before the moving average. The moving average usually acts as barrier, so you want to take profit before the moving average. Okay, because if price comes back down here, it's possible the price might just bounce up again, like what happened here. Price got to the moving average and bounced up again. Okay, so you don't, I'm trading my live account, so whenever I enter a trade, I'm risking real money, and if I'm making profit, I want to lock in the profit I made. All right, so I choose to enter here. TP before the moving averages, still not sure where. And for the stop losses and for the risk management, I don't use traditional stop losses. I use DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. Instead of putting a stop loss, when price reaches, in this case, 50 pips, I'm adding another sell position. Okay, another sell position. I'll put another position here, and if price keeps going higher, I will enter another sell position at 50 pips in this case. Okay, and I will keep adding to my position with the same position size. Okay, be careful, do not increase your position size, otherwise you're going to overexpose yourself, and use a very small position size. Okay, it could happen, it happened to me before, the price keeps going up for 800 pips. Okay, right now price moved only 150. It could happen the price keeps going up for 800 pips, all the way in the same direction. So you want to be able to add while price is going against you. Okay, if you use a very small position size, your account is going to be fine. If you over leverage, if you use a way bigger position size for your account, you will blow the account eventually. Okay, anyway, what happened is I had my limits in place, so instead of using these, I will just put some lines so it's not so cluttered. One line here, another position here, and another position here. There we go, pretty much. So if price kept going up, I will enter other sell orders here, sell trades, because I know that the more price expands in one direction, the more likely it's going to be for it to reverse, for the price to do a retracement. And when price start to retrace, when you have more than one position, you will make so much more money. Okay, anyway, we are in this position here. I choose to enter a position sell here. Target is a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 1.8, I don't remember exactly, and I just let price do its things. Okay, it was a bit slow in the beginning, it went down, it went up, but eventually, as you saw before, price just went down and took my profit. Okay, as you saw, I wanted to close the trade before the moving averages, but the idea was this. It's so simple, it's crazy. Okay, if price expands in one direction, I will take the trade on the opposite side to get the retracement. Okay, you don't want to take the retracement after 20 pips, because price might move even like further up in the same direction. You want to wait around 200, 150, 300 pips if you want to make sure. And after those amount of pips, usually price is going to reverse. We go back here. This was my trade. Okay, that's my exact entry. Okay, if you go on my history, okay, my trade is, there we go, GBPCAD. Okay, I took profit manually here, and that was it. Okay, that's my trade. That's my live account. I'm up. I'm at 9,100 pretty much. I have one position open, and that's it. I hope this was useful for you guys. I hope you learned something new. If you want to see more of this, if you want to see my strategy, I did a YouTube video that I will link below in the description. It's free. You can watch that if you want. Otherwise, there is my site and everything that you need if you want to see more. Okay? Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.